touching out.
Hello guys, Bobby Drives here. So today I've got McLaren 720S. My friend just bought it, so it's going to be a quick video just off the cuff. He had a BMW M6 Grand Coupe before this, that was pushing like 700 brake horsepower, but he's just bought this and it is beautiful. First time I've been in a supercar, we're just going to go for a quick spin, so like I said, it's going to be a quick video, but look at it, it is just stunning. Let's do a quick little walk around. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification bell, you'll be notified for new videos, smash the like button if you did like it, and don't forget to follow me at Bobby Drives. Guys, look at it, this is Batman's car. Look how serious it looks. Do you know what, I haven't even done any research on this, but I know it is a super fast car. We've just been in a spin in it and my God, my butt cheeks were clenching. But yeah, so remember you're saying this is what, 4 litre V8 twin turbo?
V8. 4 litre twin turbo V8, 710 brake. I think that's 770 newton meters of torque as well, so pretty torquey as well.
Wow, man, it's just the presence it gives. It's also got the whole carbon pack, so 1, 2 and 3. Look, you'll see from here, it's just carbon everywhere. Oh, look, you've got cameras. Oh, one thing I found out, this has got cameras inside the cockpit and outside, so if you go on a track day, it's effectively, you've got your GoPros. It will show you racing, putting your foot down. It's got carbon brakes all around. Guess what, guys, the back tyres, the width of these tyres are 305s. If I can show you quickly, super wide tyres, look at them. And do you know what I really like? The whole car is almost exposed. If you look down here, that's actually the gearbox, right in there, if you can see that. That is the gearbox. But yeah, look at those tyres. Again, it's got all of the carbon to the rear. I love these twin exhausts, and I love how they're higher and the noise that it makes. Just look at this machine and those doors. Honestly, Batman's car all the way. Let me just have a quick look inside. So it's fully sueded, you've got suede everywhere. This does have the Bowers and Wilkins speakers, and then super nice sporty seats. And the only thing is, guys, the car's actually comfortable. We just went for a ride in it. Obviously I was literally at the end of my seat scared, but it's comfortable, it's relaxing. Well, I wouldn't say relaxing, but you know, if you're going to go for a long drive, it's actually not that bad. I love here, look, you've got the levers for your drive, neutral, reverse. You've got launch control down there. This screen is like a big iPhone Plus screen. It's just a serious car. And look, even the steering wheel, it's got no buttons on it because it's focused you just on driving a car. Got a little screen here. When I turn the car up, this screen actually pops up. But yeah, it's just mental. Only 2-seater. We've got a bit of storage in the rear. But what a serious car, and wait till we actually take it for a spin. You'll love it. Well, I love it already. And forgot to mention, look at this exposed carbon everywhere. It's just beautiful. I can imagine it's like. And do you know what? You've got so used to it already, like as in.
I'm comfortable with it.
You're comfortable. Oh my God. Remember, this car is beautiful. And guys, just so you know, this is Rumor, this is his new car. Before this, he had a BMW M6 Grand Coupe, and that's pushing, what, 760 brake horsepower?
We've got about 750 on that one, yeah.
750, so that was also a very special car. You went to VMAX and you got over 200 miles an hour.
We touched 200. At VMAX, we touched 200 miles an hour on that one, yeah. It was pretty special, to be honest. It was a phenomenal car.
I remember it. I remember I saw on Hellwell Road. I was like, what a view. So think about, guys, 200 miles an hour in an M6, and now the successor is the McLaren 720S. He's like, honestly, guys, I actually thought Romeo was going to get the M8 Grand Coupe, and then when I saw your Insta and you got this, I was like, game changer completely. Remember, this
taps out at 212, so
212.
We'll find out soon.
Yeah. The day you do it, I'll be with you.
You'll be with me. We'll be with me. That's it. We'll wait for the weather to get a little bit better.
Oh my God! Yeah, it feels different. Oh my God! And even in the rain, like, whoa, man, you can feel it then. This is next level, and that sound. Oh my God, Ramel. Just then I thought, can I feel the tyres just spinning?
It's wet, innit? It's
Yeah,
wet, and
that's
the
it.
tyre temperatures are quite cold as well at the moment. So you got all the tyres warm up and stuff. So
And I love it. You got to press the get buttons like this.
Yeah, that's it. It's a nice design, man.
It's
nice
beautiful.
and simple. You know what I mean? It's got a bit Bowser Wilson system in it as well. It's decent. It's got
That's top quality.
Yeah, it's got a good system in it as well.
That's top quality.
You know what I mean?
Yes, that's...
Nobody horns at me in this car.
Yeah, but have you noticed like how everyone gave you way? Do you know what? Only just then, I just felt the full power. Like, it's so... Guys, by the way, it's wet outside, so that's why it's spinning everywhere.
Very wet.
But...
Pissing our way.
Oh, the pull it's got, man. So what is this? Just turboed or?
It's a 4-litre twin turbo. 4-litre twin turbo V8. Running about 710 brake. 0 to 60 in 2.7 seconds. Yeah. 2.7 seconds, rear wheel drive. So
oh
yeah.
I didn't realise.
This is no four-wheel malarkey, mate. This is a real driver's car.
That's why I thought when you put your foot down.
No,
okay, that's ballsy.
This is a rear wheel drive. All to the back. It's obviously got.
It's got start stop.
It's got start.
I can't believe
you can drive around town. It's not an issue. It's a very good driver's car. If I'm honest with you. It's got comfort mode, you can just cruise, you can relax, it's comfortable, the ride's not too hard. I brought it up from up north, done about 200 mile trip down, and you know, honestly, very, very comfortable. No drama.
And you got from 200 miles down, no issues?
No issues, driving really, it was raining as well that day, cruising. No, it says as comfortable as a VW Golf, do you know what I mean? It's brilliant.
And the thing is, you know what, as you're driving it now, I don't feel like I'm in a car where I'm going It feels nice. It still feels...
It'll go even more comfortable. And obviously it's got the it's got track telemetry and stuff on it as well.
Oh. Do you know, I did not realise it's rear wheel drive.
Oh, did you not?
No,
you probably
man.
Think twice before you get in, right?
Yeah, honestly. Like when you put your foot down, I was like, alright, probably because it's 4-wheel drive, it's going to put the power down. But remember, all that power's going to the rear.
I mean, I've always had rear wheel drive cars. My M3 prior to that, my M6. M6 is pushing about 760 brake.
What does that feel like with this?
So this one, because you're so low to the ground, you're so low to the ground, right? It's like you feel a bit more safer, you know, in a weird, odd way. You feel a bit more safer. You feel more in control.
Oh, you're saying it's so low.
Because you're so low, and the grip on it is phenomenal. Like the handling is unreal. It's literally like a go-kart, right?
And do you know what I love about the steering wheels? It's beautiful but very basic in the sense that no buttons.
There's no buttons on it.
Like...
There's no nothing on it. Like, it's very, very basic. A bit of carbon on it, and that's it. So this one's got all the carbon packs on it. It's got carbon pack 1, 2, and 3 on the exterior, and interior it's got all the carbon packs as well. So you've got the carbon on the steering wheel, you've got the trim pieces, you've got the A-pillars as well.
Oh, didn't even notice that.
All the A-pillars are in carbon as well. So you've got the full carbon setup inside. This one is pretty much fully loaded. There's not much more else you can get. Even the engine bay, it's all like lit up. It lights up in red. So you know.
The engine bay?
The engine bay.
Oh, sorry, yeah, I thought you there about the back, yeah.
At the back, the engine bay lights up in red when you open and close the doors. Yeah, it's pretty sick. Yeah.
Do you know what I've got to say? It's the attention to detail. Like, I love this orange. Like,
yeah, the stitching.
The stitching, the orange.
The stitching is lovely. They've done it really nicely, contrasted with the black, with the suede. Even the brake calipers as well, they've contrasted it with the orange as well. It's really nicely done.
And like the speakers and everything.
Yeah.
It is beautiful. And you actually could put some stuff in the back.
No, it's actually a luggage storage space.
Yeah.
So it's got like a luggage straps as well, so you can put stuff in the back. The boot at the front is very practical as well. And if you're going to do your grocery shopping or whatever it is, why the hell not, man? Do you know what I mean? Why the hell not?
Take this in the
do it in the
supermarket
McLaren,
car
right?
park.
Why not? Do it in the McLaren.
Oh my god.
And the good thing about it at the moment, the way these things are, it's sort of hypercar performance for supercar money.
Yeah,
which is
that's
brilliant,
it. That's it.
You know, the closest thing to this in terms of other cars sort of thing, you're talking 500 grand plus.
Yeah, absolutely.
Easily, you know, you're talking like sort of P1s, and you're talking sort of like LaFerraris and stuff like that.
And do you know what I love about this? It looks so close to a P1.
Yeah, it does.
It looks very similar. The way the front is and the back is, the P1's got the swooping, obviously, indicator lights, the brake lights, but it looks so...
It's very, very similar.
Very similar.
In terms of speed-wise as well, if you put it on track, there's literally milliseconds apart from each other, you know? Milliseconds apart from each other. So... But no, it's a good drive. I enjoyed it, and it's a good all-rounder, you know.
Honestly, do you see the way she's looking at us?
Yeah.
She's like, hey, you give me away and you got this flashy car. I was like, yeah, we're nice people.
Yeah, you know, you don't have to be a dick about it. You know what I mean? You can still be nice people.
And that's the thing. I'm glad that you've gone for this because, like anyone, you could go for the Aventador or the SVJ or whatever, and then you're talking like 300-400 grand.
Yeah.
And really, at the end of the day, people buy those cars because it's mostly for the looks. It's the show.
Don't get me wrong, Lambo's a beautiful car. It's an amazing car.
I love him.
I love him to bits as well. But the thing is, again, it's for show. Right? A lot of people get them for show, right? And a lot of people get them because they want like a nice, brash, orange Lamborghini.
Yeah.
You know, I wanted a bit more understated, but I wanted performance. So I thought McLaren black, understated. You know, if you didn't know what it was, you think it's just another car.
Remember, that's the thing. Like, hopefully people won't think it's just another car. But it's still special.
Yeah.
But that's what it is. This is actually more of it's a driver's car. It's a McLaren. You know, like that's what they're used for. I want to see some of this power. Oh, I can't believe it's just rear-wheel drive though, man. Oh my god. Oh, my heart's actually going. Oh, it's so smooth.
It's smooth. The power delivery is smooth. You know, the power delivery is generally it's like you can't fault it. You can't go wrong with it.
Honestly, just even when you're driving then, it's like I felt like wow, it's smooth.
There we go. Now it comes on.
So this open exhaust and stuff.
It's got an exhaust valve at the back, so you can now put it in sport mode kind of thing. It opens the valve on the exhaust. Yeah. The actual display drops down, so you only get the crucial information: what gear and speed on the rev counter.
That's it. That's all you need.
That's all you need. So obviously it's a terrible day for today for you.
I know.
But what can you do?
Remember, I would do this again. Oh my god. My hand down there is like squeezing.
I almost got whiplash when I first got these, you know what I mean? It was crazy, it was that mad. Yeah, it was crazy.
And the thing is, because you bought it and you did a 200-mile run, I'm sure you got to open it up and like push it and appreciate it.
When the weather was good, like, you know, we had a few sunny spells in between, you know, and it dried up and everything, you know, we gave it the beans right, I kid you not, oh my goodness, it's just unreal. Yeah. The speed is actually mind-boggling, you know what I mean? I started a Tesla, but because Tesla obviously is quick as well, don't get me wrong, I've done a P100D, but it's quiet. Yeah. And when this goes, you just think, shit, it keeps on going, I mean, I think I blinked and I was about miles an hour.
And that's it. You know, you can get some cars, when you put them foot down, they'll hit 60, 70 very quickly, and they'll die out. Yeah. Whereas this car, and I tell you what, I've only really experienced that in both M6s. Yeah. When you hit 70 or 80, they still keep going.
The M6s are phenomenal.
Do you reckon you'll take this on like a track or?
Yeah, I think so. This car is definitely track setup. Do you know what I mean? Much more than the M6.
Yeah. So
I think we'll do a track day or two. We'll try a VMAX run one or two.
You should do it, man. This is what it's for. And do you know what I love? It's like all your buttons. And what? That's your like lights, I suppose.
So these are for your wing mirrors.
Yeah.
Wing mirrors, and then you got parking distance. So it's like parking wise, brilliant.
Yeah.
You've got a 360 cam. You've also got head-up display, and you can also put the on.
Yeah, he knows to let us go. Let's not keep him waiting. And do you know what? It's like a massive iPhone S, like the screen.
Literally, everything's all done from here. Nice and easy to use. You've got sat-nav phone, AC controls. You've got heated seats, heated electric seats as well. Wow. Which again on supercars are not very common.
I noticed that down there. Like you've got memory seats.
Yeah, it's all electric memory seats. Again, it's not very common because obviously they add a lot of weight to it. But you know what? Comfort. You know
That's it.
And it's comfortable. You've been sitting there for the past 20 minutes or so, right? Yeah. I mean, it's not uncomfortable. Do you know what I mean?
And do you know what's nice? Even the seats are very, very like. They're beautiful, honestly, like they're comfortable.
They're comfortable. They're contouring in it. They're contouring, and like I said, you could quite easily make it into a GT car and cruise to the front, south of France or whatever you want to do, innit?
I can imagine you put this in D, get on the motorway, and even that bump there. Do you know when I know that particular bump? The cars crash. Yeah. This takes it nice and smooth.
It's smooth. It's very smooth. It's very smooth. As I'm saying, it was a very, very good all-rounder. You can't lose with this. Do you know what I mean? You can't lose it.
And this is all suede, isn't it?
It's all suede, yeah.
This is the epitome of a supercar. Having McLaren behind, McLaren built this.
All the tech in it.
And you know what the thing is? We know McLaren's not all about the show. I mean, obviously they want to make a beautiful car, but they want to make an actual.
But they said themselves, they're not garage queens. Yeah. Like, McLarens are not garage queens, and I didn't want a garage queen. I don't have a garage.
You're so right. Yeah, you have a garage. No, honestly,
I've got a driveway, but
I like that. Actually, they're not garage queens.
They're not garage queens.
They're meant to be out.
They're meant to be out and we're meant to be driven. Do you know what I mean? I mean, Ferrari and all them, they're beautiful, right? You know, a lot of people lock them up in the garages and stuff. But this is a daily driven car. Do you know what I mean? I love it to bits.
Do you know, it's like even like you've got cup holder and stuff.
Yeah, you've got two. But I think I've kind of just temporarily fell out of love with BMW for the time being, you know. Just because I had a few issues and stuff with them, whatever it is. You know, mostly my fault. Mostly my fault.
A bit of remapping.
A bit of remapping here and there, you know, but you know what? I thought it's time for a change. Let's try something different. Yeah. And you know, we thought go for a McLaren. Why not?
And the thing is, remember, this is the sort of car you could keep for a year or two and then change it.
You can change it. You can change it.
You could be 6 months.
Yeah, you can change it easily. You can change it, but I mean, you know, enjoy it for a little while, see what's next. You know, obviously just picked up recently, so we're gonna drive for a little while, see how we feel, and then obviously naturally move on from there.
That's it, and that's you know, a lot of these people don't keep on these cars too long because they want. I felt that back then, and they're 305s on the back, on the tyres.
305s, yeah, the wide, yeah.
Wow.
We're not able to lay the power down.
Oh no.
It's too wet, unfortunately.
Honestly, when it's another day and it's a nice warm day,
Yeah, definitely.
I'll come down, we'll do it.
Pull it back again, man, definitely.
And this is one of those things, I won't even ask you, can I drive it? Because I don't even want it, because it's so expensive.
Yeah, if you get insured on it, man, happy days.
Yeah, exactly, get insured on it. I'll get daily insurance to it. But,
yeah, it's crazy.
guys, that was a quick spin in a 720S. First time I've been in a car remotely like this. This is a proper supercar. So I will do a detailed review on this eventually, but Ruma, thank you so much, man. I appreciate it. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification button so you know if I have new videos. Smash the like button if you do like it. Don't forget to follow me at Bobby Drives.